Hey foodies, welcome back to my channel. Myself Priyanka and you are watching Garden of Yam. So today we will see how to make Bengali style kochuri or dal puri. It's a very delicious recipe. You can try this at your home in this Durga Puja. So let's quickly see the recipe. So at first you will need 1 cup or 240 grams of chana dal. Now wash it with water very properly. And then soak it in water overnight or at least for 6 hours. Now after 6 hours of soaking the dal, here I have taken 6 cups of maida or all-purpose flour. Now to this I am adding 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of ajwain. Now I am adding 4 teaspoons of ghee. Now ghee is very important. Now mix it with the flour very well. Now add required amount of water to make a normal dough. It will not be too soft or too hard, it will be normal. Now the dough for our puri is ready. Now cover and keep it aside. Now in a mixer grinder jar, add the soaked chana dal. To these add 1 inch ginger and 6 green chilies. Now add required amount of water to make a smooth paste. Now our paste is ready. Now we have to make a masala powder for the stuffing. Now add 3 dried red chilies, 1 tablespoon of whole jeera, 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds or mohri, 1 tablespoon of coriander seed and 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi. Now dry roast it till a smell comes. Then grind it to a smooth powder. Now after making the masala, we will prepare the stuffing for the puri. In a pan add 3 to 4 tablespoons of refined oil. To that add 2 tablespoons of roasted gram flour. Now saute for 2 minutes in medium flame. Now after 2 minutes add 2 teaspoons of hing. Saute for 1 minute and then add the dal paste. Now continuously stir and cook for 10 minutes. Now after 10 minutes add 2 teaspoons of salt. Then again mix it. Then add 1 teaspoon of sugar. And then stir till the water dissolves and it gets dry or stir it for 10 minutes. And then after 10 minutes add the dry roasted masala powder which I have made earlier. Add 2 tablespoons of that masala. Now mix and cook for another 5 minutes, then turn off the flame and let it cool. Now after the stuffing gets cooled, take a small ball out of the dough. Then make a space in the middle. And then add about 1 tablespoon of that stuffing in the middle. Now cover it from the sides of the dough. Now take some oil in the side of the roller board. Then oil the dough ball. And then gently roll it. Remember the stuffing should not come out. Don't roll it too much. Just do like what I am doing. Now likewise do all the dough balls. Now in a pan add required amount of refined oil to deep fry the puris. Now let it heat in medium flame. Then add the puris. Add 3 to 4 at once. Now fry both the sides for about 1 minute till it becomes light brown. It should be cooked from inside. So fry both the sides very properly. Then take it out. Now fry all the puris in same process. After frying them, serve it right away with some potato curry and tamarind chutney, which is usually served in the street foods. Now if you want to know the recipe of the potato curry and the chutney, comment down below, I will surely make it for you. So do try it at your home and let me know in the comment section how it turned out.